You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word, but how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this village in the south of France, which is next door to where I live actually. It produces delicious wine as well, named after it, Banyuls, Banyuls, so you can say it in English as Banyuls sur Mer. Sur Mer means on the sea, sur is on and mer is the sea in French. Banyuls sur Mer. If you cannot pronounce French, you can say it as Banyuls sur Mer. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.